Welcome to your Sunday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. You can support this channel by clicking on the join button and becoming a member. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. In this shave, I am using my Friedr & Son. This is the number 49 Ace of Spades. That is bone with inlay. It is a full hollow. This is shave 58 on an ILR edge. Very good. Now for my soap tonight, here we go. We are going ARKO. Yep. This is inexpensive. You can pick it up just about anywhere, and it's really good. It is. Now I have put some of that in the bottom of this bowl, and I've had it blooming. We're going to pour off that bloom water and put that one as a pre-shave. Yep. Yeah, this is a clean, kind of citrusy scent, and it's just, it's good, inexpensive, and you can, like I say, get it just about anywhere. Here in the States, it's not a big deal. You can get it right off of Amazon or eBay, that kind of thing. There we go. Now, get those hands cleaned off a little bit. Now, for my brush tonight, here we go. This is the Connecticut quarter brush. Now, that is a 22mm synthetic knot by Maggard razor, and I just put that in an old handle I had. Now, we're going to get it wet. It did not have to be soaking because it is synthetic. But we're going to do a splash and go. That's all this one needs. And we're going to get it loaded up. All right. Well, we made it to the weekend. Hopefully you're having a good weekend. Being able to enjoy yourself, relax, be with family and friends. Yeah, tell you, that's what it's all about. It is. Yeah. And hopefully you're in high spirits, the world's treating you good, and you're getting some good shaves. Yeah. And hopefully you're well. And, with the hurricane and everything that hit down south and all of that, hopefully you are all right. Yeah. It's just really quite a thing. This has been a crazy year, right? I tell you. I just don't know. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. I think we're there. We are there. I'm just going to go ahead, clean up that bowl, and we're going to put most of that right on the brush. The rest I'll put on the face, just like that. Yeah, this is part of my pre-shave routine for upping those whiskers for a good shave. Yep, that's it. Yeah, and this soap really has a nice, clean, fresh scent. Again, it's more citrusy, I think, which is quite nice. And I enjoy it. I always enjoy it when I use it. Now, here we go. Let's get our lather on. Yeah. Getting lather everywhere. It's all right. No big deal, right? Now, this is another cold water shave for me. Have you been trying cold water shaves? Give me a thumbs up on this video if you have, and let me know down in the comments how you like it. Last year was the first year I started trying, and I really Didn't necessarily like it that much, but now this year, I've really been enjoying it. So that's good. It's good to try new things. Oh yeah, nice, nice, nice. Look at that. Look at that beautiful lather. There we go. All right. Now I get those hands cleaned off and dried off. Oh yeah. Now it is time for pass one. And for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. Reach around, grab that head, stretch, lay it razor flat, raise it about a spine width off so I can get that 20 to 30 degree shaving angle. And that shoulder is feeling much better now. Yeah, that was a tough one for the Wednesday shave, but it's fine now. Yeah, hopefully you found last Friday's Straight Razor Edge Friday special helpful. Yeah. Yeah, we're talking strops and honing again a little bit, but mainly strops and angles, bevel angles, that kind of thing. So check it out if you haven't seen it. I'll leave a link down in the description. Nice. All right. Looking good. Yep. Coming in straight here, and then we're going to rotate down to find that shaving angle. Stretching just by the way I'm holding my mouth. There we go. Nice. Now, we're going to go ahead and find this and this one. Don't want to hit any of those speed bumps. Yep. Now we're switching hands, going to my offhand, and again I'm going to stretch, lay that razor flat, raise it about a spine width. There we go. Nice. Stretching again. Remember, every time you go to a different part of your face, you got to get that shaving angle set again. You got to learn how to stretch that part of your face. Everything's important with this. And we do multi-pass shaves. So normally, first pass will be with the grain. Second pass can either be against the grain or across the grain, okay? Third pass generally is against the grain. And for me, I've been able to work this in totally down to a 1.5 pass shave and get a great shave. All right, there you go. Pass 1 complete. Very nice. Now, let's go ahead and get that rinsed off. There we go. Nice. Now, let's get our lather on. All right, looking good. Fantastic lather. This ARKO is quite nice. There we go. All right. Now, find that. Okay. Now, it's time for the half pass. This is primarily going to be against the grain for me. And I'm going to modify right through here to be totally against the grain as well this time. Stretching, holding that ear, reach down, I'm going to stretch further. Nice shallow angle on that blade. Now, right through here, I'm going against the grain as well. Here we go. Nice. To kind of finish off that little bit there. Now we're switching hands again. I'm going to grab that ear with my offhand and stretch. Nice shallow angle on that blade. Nice. Against the grain right through there. Across the grain on the front of that chin. Now, this part is going to be against the grain. Here we go. Another shave in the books. And this is a good one. It really is. This is relaxing, comfortable, and I don't believe there's any bumps harmed in the filming of this shave video. Excellent. could do a little cleanup right there. Yeah, much better. Nice. All right. Now, here we go. Get that face wet. And I am going Alum everywhere. This is astringent antiseptic. Great if you hit a little bump or two. It'll help seal those off. It will also seal off your pores and tighten that skin. It's really good for a lot of things. There we go. And I do put that pretty much everywhere. Now, I will dry that off with this little towel, because I believe it is done its job. Now, if you can't take Alum straight up, go with the cold water rinse if you can get cold water, followed by witch hazel. And I'm going with the Thayers lemon witch hazel for the citrusy part of this soap. And this is lemonade for the face. It is. This is just so good. So we're going to get that going. Oh, nice. Fantastic scent. And I am going to put that everywhere. I am. Excellent. Now, we're going with Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. This stuff is fantastic. And got a good scent as well. Oh yeah, nice, 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 nice. And I'm going to put that everywhere. Next up, for my Cologne thing, here we go. Florida water. Oh yeah, this is fantastic. And you know, it really has a great scent as well. And I think it goes with this soap too. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see straight talk about straight razors. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.